Hey everyone, I was recently sent some really cool tools from this company called Rolling Dogs. They said they would be sending me several tools, and the first ones they sent me were 3 awesome paintbrushes. Now, I gotta admit, I was pretty surprised by the packaging on these 3 paintbrushes, as well as just the overall quality. Each of these packages came with a Velcro package type design that had all of the information that you need, as well as you could reuse it if you wanted to put it back together, which I do actually later on. But you can see that the quality is actually pretty nice, and they come with these nice little thumb insert hole things that are perfect for your thumb, and there's 3 different sizes, which is also awesome. A good paintbrush like this can last you for quite a while, especially if you clean it up after your projects. So I was pretty stoked to have 3 of them. 3 that I could destroy over the course of hopefully a long life. But instead of just looking at the paintbrushes, I decided it would be best to try them out. And for today's tool test, I will be using one of these paintbrushes to apply some finish to a hummingbird feeder arm that I created. Stick around and I'll show you. I made this arm a couple years ago to hold a hummingbird feeder on the side of my deck, and it needed some tender love and care. I also recently refinished the entire deck, so I had the finish on hand to refinish the hummingbird feeder arm. It holds the hummingbird feeder. And I was using a Cabot Australian timber oil to refinish everything, and you can see here that I am applying some of it using that Rolling Dogs paintbrush. And don't worry, I will leave a link in the description down below so that you can buy it, and if you buy it with that link, you'll support the channel. So support the channel, the Second Son Woodworks channel. The bristles on this paintbrush were really nice to use, and they made it quite simple to apply this Cabot finish onto the hummingbird feeder holder arm. Again, I will point out that I really did like the thumb insert, because that's kind of how I hold my paintbrush most of the time, and it works well. So, thanks Rolling Dogs. Viewers, go get yourself one. A package of 3 of these Rolling Dogs paintbrushes. Yeah. Go check out my other videos. Bye.